Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Today we are going to be talking recession proof recipes, okay? So I'm not gonna hold y'all long, okay? We're gonna get right into it. The Dollar Tree is our store. Okay, for the people who don't have food stamps, you may got to do something strange for some change. I'm here to help, okay? Number one, spaghetti. Spaghetti will last your family 2 days. It's better the second day anyway, all right? You're going to get a $1 pack of noodles. Okay, you're gonna get a $1 thing of spaghetti sauce. If your family is bigger, you're gonna double it. Okay, but for a family of 4, 1 pack of noodles, probably a pack of sauce, and spend 50 cents or 85 cents. Excuse me, I'm not in 1999. 85 cents, because I told y'all can't shop at one store. Get you a spaghetti packet. Yes. You ain't heard it before, I'm telling you now. Get you a spaghetti packet. It will stretch your spaghetti sauce. You're going to use, you can use just the can of tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce, excuse me. Can of spaghetti sauce. If you don't want to use spaghetti sauce already in the can, you can use tomato sauce, the spaghetti packet. Put your razzle dazzle, your seasonings on it. Bring it down in a simmer, all right? Your ground beef. Now, we are in a recession and we know beef is a high commodity right now. You do not have to fix your family ground beef spaghetti. If you got breakfast sausage, they can eat sausage spaghetti. If you don't want if you can't afford a protein, y'all. You cannot afford a protein, get you some mushrooms, chop them up. Mushrooms, you can get a canister of mushrooms for like $2 at any grocery store. Chop them up real fine, all right? With a little butter, a little oil, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and you're gonna saute those mushrooms just like their ground beef. You're gonna put your sauce over it, just like it's ground beef, and I promise you they will not know the difference. Okay, so moving forward, I'm just gonna say you're gonna have mushrooms for the sake of this video, which is $2. All right, so we got spaghetti sauce, spaghetti noodles, mushrooms, and a spaghetti packet. Because it's going to stretch your spaghetti. However, you don't have to use the spaghetti packet. A lot of times I don't. So let's say no spaghetti packet. So $2 mushrooms plus spaghetti sauce. Hunts, it was $1. Okay. And your noodles brings your total for $3 spaghetti. I promise you, you don't tell them kids mushrooms and that spaghetti, they won't know the difference. Now, you can have corn. You can open 2, 3, 4 cans of corn, sweet corn. You can have corn on the cob. I know Kroger got corn on the cob. You get 4 for $1. You can shuck that corn, cut them in tubes, and you can boil them, add sugar and salt, and boom. Corn. Or if you want to get fancy, if you got lettuce at your house, make a salad. Or you can make bread. Find you a cheap bread recipe on this app. You got the flour and the baking powder. You already got the base for your bread and a little bit of yeast. Whatever side, that's on you. Okay, so that's $3 spaghetti. Boom. Chicken pot pie from the Dollar Tree. You got your flour. That biscuit recipe that I taught y'all. Instead of you getting a cup and making biscuits, you're going to get a can or your rolling pin. You're going to roll it out. Okay? And that's going to be the top for your sheet pan. Okay? Chicken pot pie. Okay? Sheet pan chicken pot pie. All right. So, number one, You got chicken in your freezer because we went shopping for it, okay? You can use the chicken tenderloin, the strips that you got, or the chicken breast. You're going to pan fry it in some butter and you're going to shred it, okay? Once you shred it, you're going to use 2 cans of cream of mushroom, 1 cream of mushroom, 1 chicken, 2 chicken, whatever, cream of celery, whatever your taste buds like. And you're going to get a can, 2 canned goods of mixed vegetable from the Dollar Tree, okay? So we're just gonna go for a family of 4. So that's 2 cans of cream of soup, whatever your cream of soup, girl, times 2. All right, 2 cans of mixed veggies. You got your own seasonings at your house, all right? Shelf-stable milk. You're going to use 1 cup of shelf-stable milk. And you're going to take that dollar flour with butter, half a stick of butter, whole stick of butter, 1 stick of butter, and you're going to make that crust. And you're going to put it in the oven at 375 for 45 minutes. All right. And you're going to make your sheet pan chicken pot pie. This is going to last you 2 days for a family of 4. So we already got 4 meals. Let's calculate the total of the chicken pot pie. So the $5 chicken from Kroger, 2 cans of cream of mushroom is $1. It's $1. 2 cans of mixed vegetables is $1. The $1 flour. And you're only using 1 stick of butter because you got 4 from the Dollar Tree. So we just gonna say 50 cents worth of butter. So that's $5, $6, $7, $8.50 chicken pot pie. All right. Let's move on. Breakfast. I just taught y'all how to make country gravy. Taught y'all how to make biscuits. That could be a breakfast for $2.50. Okay. Y'all already got that recipe. All right. For dessert, I told y'all in my Dollar Tree video about the peanut butter cookies. Now, I gave y'all the recipe to the peanut butter cookies, but we're going to razzle it, dazzle it up due to the holidays coming up. You're going to get you a pan. You're going to butter it. If you have fruit in your house, apples, pears, you're going to use them. You got brown sugar you can get from the Dollar Tree for $1. I'm going to tell y'all what we make it in a minute. Brown sugar, 1 stick of butter, whatever fruit you have on hand. If you do not have apples or pears, which y'all should be at Aldi's, or you should be at some store that have apples, or some discount market that have a bag of apples, a bag of pears for $2. If you don't have the bag, you can use canned goods. All right. If you don't have canned goods, fruits or apples, they do have pie filling at the Dollar Tree. So we're going to stick with the pie filling. Okay. 1 can of fruit pie filling. And you're going to take that dollar flour and make that biscuit dough. But this time you're going to add sugar and you're going to add another tablespoon of baking powder, solely because we need the dough to rise outside of the sugar. Okay. All right. So if you have the pie filling, you're not going to need the brown sugar unless you want to, doctor it up, but it doesn't need to be doctored up. You can add the brown sugar to your biscuit dough. Okay, so that's gonna be a 1/2 cup or a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, flour, butter, and chef's table milk. Roll it out to make a crust, or you can make like a pancake. You can make a little thinner and make like a pancake consistency. Put it on the bottom of your sheet pan. Put your pie filling on top. Do not mix it, okay? And you are going to allow that to rise, and you're going to have you a beautiful cobbler, okay? I think there's one more in the chamber that we could, green bean casserole. Green bean casserole. 4 cans of green beans, which is $2. 2 cans of cream of mushroom. Seasonings you have at home, and 1 bag of fried onions. Bake at 350 for 30 minutes. Green bean casserole. All right. So I done gave y'all a side. All right. I done gave y'all a dessert. And I done gave you two night dinner options. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I love hearing from y'all. Thank y'all so much. I'm so happy that this Dollar Tree Fine Kitchen Recipe Recession Edition, this series is helping y'all. I love it. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye.